How to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download Pinterest videos to your gallery. First of all, launch open the Pinterest app. Now make sure to log into your account. Now, let's say you want to download this image. All you want to do is tap on the three dots. Here you will find the option of download image. Tap on that. As you can see here, it says image downloaded. Now this will be saved to your gallery. But if you want to download a video, let's say this one. And now if you tap on the three dots, here there is no option of download. That is because you're not able to directly download the Pinterest videos to your gallery. So as you can see, there's no feature of downloading the Pinterest video to your gallery. What you can do instead is simply record this video using any screen recorder, or you can also copy the link and head over to a third-party website where you can paste the link and then download it. However, third-party websites are not safe, so that step is not recommended. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.